In the fast-paced world of finance, the question on everyone's mind is, what's the most profitable way to trade? Algorithmic trading and discretionary trading are two popular methods, but which one is more profitable? Algorithmic trading, also known as algo trading, is a method where computers use mathematical algorithms to make decisions about buying and selling securities. The algorithms are based on a set of predetermined rules that take into account various market conditions, such as price, volume, and volatility. On the other hand, discretionary trading is a method where the trader makes decisions about buying and selling securities based on their own judgment and analysis. The trader uses their knowledge, experience, and intuition to make decisions about when to enter or exit the market. Algorithmic trading has several advantages over discretionary trading. It's faster, more accurate, and can handle a large amount of data and transactions. Algo trading also reduces the emotional and psychological biases that can impact a trader's decision-making. However, algorithmic trading also has its drawbacks. It relies heavily on the algorithms and can potentially miss out on market opportunities that a human trader may recognize. Algo trading can also be affected by market conditions that may not be accounted for in the algorithms. Discretionary trading, on the other hand, allows for more flexibility and creativity in decision-making. A trader can take advantage of market nuances that algorithms may miss. However, discretionary trading is prone to emotions and psychological biases, and the speed of execution may not be as fast as algorithmic trading. Ultimately, the most profitable approach may depend on the individual trader's goals, risk tolerance, market conditions, and personal preference. Both algorithmic and discretionary trading have their own strengths and weaknesses, and it's important for traders to consider their own goals and risk tolerance when choosing between the two methods. So, is algorithmic trading more profitable than discretionary trading? The answer is not that simple. Both methods have their own advantages and disadvantages, and the most profitable approach will depend on various factors. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has helped shed some light on the profitability of algorithmic and discretionary trading.